Now, what we're doing today is using Pythagoras' theorem to solve problems in a three-dimensional space. So this is a 3D world. So let's say if we had some kind of rectangular prism and we were trying to solve, okay, from this corner to this corner, what is that distance? What would that be? Well, we need to use Pythagoras in multiple directions there. So x, y, and z. So the best way of doing it, I think, is just by looking at an example. The length of a diagonal on the base of a rectangular prism is 8.3 meters. Okay, so from here, from this corner to this corner, that rectangle has a diagonal of 8.3 meters. And the rectangular prism's height is 3.9 meters. Find the distance from one corner here to the opposite corner, the prism's opposite corner here, and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Now, I'm going to be honest, most questions are not this generous in giving you this much information. Usually, the question is that they have the dimensions of it. So they would have the width, they would have the depth, and they would have the height. And you would have to find this 8.3 first, then find this corner to corner length. Okay? Now the reason being I say that is you want to try and keep whatever this answer is in exact form, because if you round this too much, this answer will change. So it's kind of like you have to find one answer and then use that answer to find another answer. Okay? So be very aware of that. This question is simplified and made easy for you. So we are just trying to find this triangle within this prism. Okay? And we can actually draw this triangle quite easily. That's all it is. 3.9 height, 8.3 length, and we have to find out our hypotenuse and give it in meters. That's it. It's very easy. So if we just find this, c squared equals 8.3 squared plus 3.9 squared. Let's put that straight in. And that's c squared equals 84.1. Whoops, I'll bring that up. And we square root both sides. C will just equal, square root our answer, 9 point, and we're saying to 2 decimal places, so we want to go to there, and it's 0 below it, so it becomes 1 point, we should say 0.6, round. Whoops, it's a 6. So C equals 9.17 to 2 dp. And what that is, let's write that as an answer. Therefore, you can do better than that. Therefore, 9.17 meters is the distance between the two opposite corners. And that's all there is. Okay, so you just have to identify the triangle and then solve from there.